Hey there, investors! Welcome back to Stock and Crypto World with Vijay. Today, we have some intriguing news coming out of the crypto space that could potentially signal a major shift in the market. We're diving into Binance's latest announcement about delisting Polygon's MATIC and introducing the new POL token. What does this mean for you, the investor? And could we be on the brink of a trend reversal?
Let's break it all down!
So here's the scoop. On August 28th, Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, announced that it will delist all MATIC spot trading pairs. This includes popular pairs like MATIC BNB, MATIC BTC, MATIC USDT, and many others. Binance also stated that all pending MATIC spot trading orders will be canceled, and all bot services will be suspended. But don't worry, this doesn't mean MATIC is disappearing completely. Instead, Binance will be listing a new token called POL, with trading set to begin on September 13th. To make this transition smooth, all MATIC deposits and withdrawals will be suspended on Binance starting September 10th. So if you're holding MATIC on Binance, now is the time to take action. Now let's talk about the market reaction. Surprisingly, the news hasn't triggered a massive market upheaval. MATIC has seen a significant drop recently, falling to $0.433, with a 2.84% decline over the past 24 hours. Over the past week, MATIC has plunged by nearly 17%. This steep decline might worry some, but there's a silver lining. Despite the recent downturn, there are signs that MATIC could be gearing up for a trend reversal. According to on-chain data from Sentiment, there's been an increase in active addresses and dormant coins, which often signals growing investor interest and a potential market reversal. In other words, people are starting to buy the dip. Adding to this, the Chaikin Money Flow (CMF) indicator, which measures the buying and selling pressure, is currently positive at 0.07. This suggests that there's more buying activity than selling, indicating that many investors see MATIC's lower prices as a buying opportunity. Moreover, the open interest-weighted funding rate has also turned positive over the past 24 hours. This means that more investors are betting on MATIC's price increasing, further strengthening the bullish sentiment. So what does all of this mean for you? Well, if you're already invested in MATIC or considering entering the market, these indicators suggest that we might be on the cusp of a trend reversal. However, as always in the crypto world, it's crucial to stay updated and make informed decisions. And remember, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Stock and Crypto World with Vijay for more updates on the latest in stocks and crypto. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.